Hi guys, this is Mukesh Kumar, PGT Commerce from a reputed international school of Hyderabad. I'm here to start a new channel for accountancy student of class 12th so that they can get more benefit from this type of channel. Let's see, today I'm going to start with non-profit organization. It is also known as accounting for not-for-profit organization. Let's see the meaning of not-for-profit organization. The organizations that are used for the welfare of society are used to set up charitable institution which functions without any profit motive is known as not-for-profit organization. In other words, not-for-profit organization is any organization which does not involve money in it. I mean, they don't earn profit. They do only social service. For example, it is a charitable hospitals. It's a schools and colleges which does not run for money. Sports clubs, library society, etc. So once again, let me tell you, non-profit organizations are any organization which does not run for profit motive business. Let's see what is mean by profit earning. Profit earning organizations are those organizations which run to make profit. Now it is very important that you should know the difference between non-profit organization and profit organization. So let's see first example. For example, not-for-profit organization does not make any profit, whereas profit earning organization has to make profit, otherwise they can't survive. Then second point, non-profit organization run for non-economic activity, whereas all activities in profit organization will be economic activity. Now you may be thinking from where they will get the source of funds. So in case of not-for-profit organization, the source of fund is donations given by people, the subscription given by the members of the society, and any other type of fees like entrance fee or life fee, etc. In case of profit organization, this issue of share capital, issue of debentures or borrowed money from the bank. Now not-for-profit organization give you surplus or deficiency in the form of net profit or net loss, whereas profit organization gives you net profit or net loss. The preparation of not-for-profit organization has three things, that is receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, and the balance sheet. Whereas in case of profit organization, they have trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So I think this is very important for any student to know what is the difference between profit organization and non-profit organization before you go deep into this concept. So now let's see what can be the characteristics of not-for-profit organization. First characteristics is entity. It has a separate legal entity from its promoter. So business is separate and the identity is separate. Second, purpose. It provides service to all the specific groups or non-specific groups or place where people need educational societies, healthcare, recreational, sports activity, which does not run for profit. Now ownership is set up as a charitable trust or society. Now you must be wondering how this organization run. Yes, of course, this organization has a managing committee, and this managing committee run the business, or they may have trustees. And the source of fund, as I told you earlier in the differences, that source of fund for these organization is donation, subscription, entrance fee, membership fees, etc. And sometimes the profit, which is known as surplus, and surplus from operation. Then how they make the accounts? They make the accounts in the form of receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, and the balance sheet. Now you must be wondering how the complete process of accounting is made in this type of organization. So preparation of financial accounts is done on three ways. One, the receipts and payments account, the income and expenditure account, and the balance sheet. Balance sheet you can subdivide into opening balance sheet and closing balance sheet. In opening balance sheet you get capital fund, whereas closing balance sheet you get the position of the assets and liabilities on a given date. Now in the process, if you see what is mean by income and expenditure, what is mean by receipts and payments, so what I did is I just separated them in differences form. So let me tell you what is the difference between income and expenditure account and receipts and payments account. Income and expenditure account is very similar to that of profit and loss account which you prepared in the last year in final account. And whereas in receipts and payments account there is a similar thing which you prepared as cash book. Cash book, I hope you remember what is mean by cash book. All income coming on debit side, all outgoing in outflow of cash credit side. So inflow of cash debit side, outflow of cash credit side. And then second point, only revenue items are taken. Here you can see revenue as well as capital. Now revenue means very short term within 1 year, whereas capital means long term. Now income and expenditure records only revenue item in this account, whereas receipts and payments account record revenue as well as capital item. Then third point, all the adjustments are made in income and expenditure account, whereas in receipts and payments account no adjustments are made. Income and expenditure account is based on nominal account, that is all expenses debited and all incomes credited, whereas receipts and payments account is based on real account, that means what comes is debited and what goes out is credited. Then fifth point, no opening balance is required for income and expenditure account, whereas there is an opening balance required for receipts and payments account. In case of income and expenditure account you get surplus or deficiency, and in case of receipts and payments account you get closing cash balance. I hope you might have understood a little better. So I would like to suggest you, if you like this channel, please like, and if you have any doubts you can contact me on my inbox account. Thank you.